This is Motorola Moto G22, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can add numbers to keyboard on this device. So first of all, let me just go ahead and launch the keyboard using the Google search bar widget. Over here, you gotta look for this little cog icon at the top part of your keyboard, or if it is not present over here, just expand the available options menu by tapping on these three horizontal dots. Then just tap on the settings, enter the preference category, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row toggle, and once we relaunch the keyboard, we'll be able to clearly see that the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.